We can use the print format to format values into a string and print them out. Here we create a struct person, have two fields, and we create an instance of this person struct. Let's call the print format function. In this function, first argument is a format string. In this format string, let's write a person colon. We will use the %we as a placeholder for an instance of struct. And the second argument, we will pass this p1 instance. We also can add a plus sign between this %sign and we. So it will print out this instance of this person with field's name. So in terminal, let's go run. You can see, first it will print out a person Jim and 20 without a field's name. And second, it will print out a person name Jim, age 20 with field's name. We can use %t to get the values type. Let's remove second. Let's change this %we to %t. In terminal, let's go run. You can see it will print out a person. Its type is menda person. We can use % with lowercase t to format a boolean value. Let's remove this. Let's change this to boolean and %lowercase t. Let's give it a boolean value true. In terminal, let's go run. You can see it will print out a boolean true. We can use %d to format an integer value. Let's change this to integer and change this %d. Here, let's give it an integer value 10. In terminal, let's go run. You can see it will print out an integer 10. We can use %f to format a floating point value. Let's change this to floating point number %f. Let's give it a value 10.01. In terminal, let's go run. You can see it will print out a floating point number 10.01. We can specify the position of a floating point number. Between this % and f, we can add the 1. Let's go run. You can see it will print out a floating point number 10.0. This 1 means after this point, it will only have one number. If we change this 1 to 2, let's go run again. You can see this time after this point, it will have two numbers. We use %c to format a character. So let's change this character and %c. Character value should be in single quotation markers. So in this single quotation marks, let's give it a value a. In terminal, let's go run. You can see it will print out a character a. We use %s to format a string value. Let's change string %s. Let's give it a string value hello world. In terminal, let's go run. You can see it will print out a string hello world. We use %p to format a pointer. Let's create a variable a. Give it a value 10. Let's change this pointer %p, and the second argument is %a. In terminal, let's go run. You can see it will print out this a pointer's memory address. When we format a value, we can add a with. Here we format an integer value use %d, and between this % and d, we can add an integer value like 5. In terminal, let's go run. You can see when it print out this value, there will be a with between this integer colon and the value 10. By default, it's right just valid, but we can add a hyphen between % and the value 5. Then it will change left just valid. So in terminal, let's go run again. This time you can see this with will after this value 10. We can use string print format to format a string, and this will return that string, but not print that string. Let's create a variable a equal to we will call string print formatter. First, let's pass a string like a hello, and %d. Let's add a integer value 10. Let's print out this a variable. Use println. In terminal, let's go run. You can see it will print out hello 10. This string print formatter will not print out this value. It will return this value to this a variable, and then we use this println to print out this a variable's value. This is how we format a string. Hope to see you next time.